Hey there YouTube. We got this Malibu out here that we have a headlight burnt out on it. The headlight that's burnt out is the driver's side front. And what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take off that front bumper and pull a couple covers off to just get to access of the headlight. It's because the headlight's such an integrated part of the actual vehicle. So let's go ahead and turn on the key and I'll show you that the headlight is out. Now with the key in the on position and the headlights turned on, you can see that the driver's side is not burning, but the passenger side is. So let's go ahead and pull this in the garage and let's get started. We're in the garage now, and I went ahead and popped the hood. And the first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and take the front cover off. So it's going to be a combination of 10 millimeters all the way around, and then also some of these like pop clips right here. Pop clips look pretty easy to get to, but it's going to be a combination of those two, and we're going to want to take all that off to get that bumper, that top bumper cover off. So let's go ahead and get started doing it. Alright, so I have my 10 millimeter out with my impact gun, and then I also have my plastic pry tool. I'm just going to go through and take each one of these out. Alright, with all the clips now out, we should just be able to pull up on this and remove it. Now with the top part out, we can go ahead and move to each side of the vehicle, and we're going to want to turn the wheel to the right if we're on the driver's side. That will give us access to the screws and the clips that we need to get to. So the bolt and the clips that I need to get to are these right here. So 1, 2, 3, and then up here there's like a bolt right here. You can feel it. That goes up into the fender that we need to also pull out. So let's go ahead and pull those out. And then this is also a 10 millimeter. And then repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do that off camera. So now with all the clips off on this side and on the passenger side, what we can do is we can just go ahead and take our fingers right here, pry this back a little bit, and then get our fingers in there and just pull towards you. That pulls it out of the clip right there. And then I'm going to go over to the other side and do the same. There we go. Now to the top of the vehicle where we took that cover off, we're just going to take our fingers right here. I'm just going to pull this area right there. I'm going to feel that pop loose. And then we'll do the same for the other side. If you could, please take a second to scroll down and put a like on my video, and also throw a subscribe on my channel. Now with all the bumper clips taken off, what we can do is go ahead and pull this down. Pull this down away from the vehicle a little bit, and we can get to the bolts that we need to get to. Looking at the front of the headlight, the two bolts that we're going to want to get to is pull this part back, and then one is right there. And the other one is over here on the side, right in there. So I'm going to go ahead and take both of those out real quick. So this as well is a 10 millimeter. I'm just going to go ahead and take this out real quick. Alright, with both of those bolts out, you saw the headlight drop a little bit, probably. If I have to pull it towards us a little bit. And there we go, we can kind of prop it. So now the headlight is pulled out and propped away from the vehicle, and we can get to it on the back side. So from the back side, this is the headlight right here. What we're going to do is just undo those two clips real quick. and then spinning to the left and pulling out. That will remove the headlight. And then let's go get the new one. So this is the new one that we got right here. So we'll go ahead and take that out. Do not touch the bulb ever, because your oil from your hand will can make the bulb blow prematurely. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this out of the package and put it into the headlight housing. So now with the new headlight, and we're gonna be back at the housing now. We're gonna take that headlight, put it on in there, and spin it to the right. That should seat it. And then you can now plug back in your connector. And then the next thing we want to do is test it to make sure it now works. And sure enough, it works. So we're going to go ahead and do everything in reverse. I will be showing you how to do that, but I'll just be going really, really fast. So if you could, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also check out my other videos. I've got a lot of other videos on my channel that you might be interested in. So I'll fly through this and catch you on the next video.